got heifers on the range. Hey guys, it's Cade Floor here. So range day, we got our rifles out. We're gonna make sure they're zeroed in for Alaska. We'll probably zero them in again once we get there, but we're double checking some of our ammo situations that we got. We also got our bear protection equipment that we need to test out and make sure they function correctly. So let's do it. You're in a bad place. What are you shooting today?
My 7 mag. It's killer. This is that Federal Berger 168 grain. 1, 2, and 3.
100, 200, 300.
Not that much high, right down the middle. It's in the red. That counts.
I think that's good enough.
Got a Montana trip scar on it.
Oh yeah, it's got a little nick on there.
Yeah.
Put one on it.
200. Fire in the hole. Do your thing.
You already done?
For now.
For now. So this is the Remington 700 7mm Magnum. I've used it for quite a few years now, so it's been pretty good. So we'll see how she acts today. We're gonna check the speed. Speed! Fire in the hole. That was 300 yards. That's about right. Right in the bullseye. 300's good. 200. You already covered yours, right? Rod, Woody, Cade. We're good at 200, I believe. So, yeah, it's gonna be a short day. So, have fun.
300.
We got Woody. The 7 mag. Yeah, that's me. 300's good.
Are you sure it's not the other way around?
What? I don't know. We didn't put our names on each other's bullets, so. Not my problem.
Like having it sighted in.
Usually 200 yards is like your base, and then you adjust from there. So some people will zero it at 100, some people will zero it at 200. Woody does 300, so.
That's complicated.
Yep. 400 yards.
400.
400 yards. And we are back there. I need to put it a little lower so they're not like enticed to hit it. Because you know, like when you're golfing, right, and there's water, and you're like, yeah, I don't want to hit it in the water, and the next thing you know, you hit it in the water. So I feel like this is just like that. Okay, so the reason we check the speed is because we have these calculators on our phones. So I've already had the speed noted for a while, so I've had this in my phone here. So you just plug in the distance, which is 300. It'll tell you how much to adjust your scope. You do need like your windage and your temperature to adjust as well, but it's pretty accurate once you get all that stuff down. And we did 300 on the dot and came out just even on the target, so worked out perfectly. And we're gonna stretch it out to 400 and maybe 550 in a minute, so we'll see. Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole. See it?
Pretty good.
Where is it?
It's dead even. It's still a little left, but I don't know if I would move that at all.
I'm gonna drive down. No, it's 8 o'clock. It's almost the exact same spot.
Yeah, I know.
Almost exactly. I'm gonna drive down there real quick.
What's you driving down there for?
Are you shooting the same bullet?
Yeah.
It should all be the same then.
You would think.
These are the SIG 15X. What are they called? Zulu 10s. These are badass. So I traded my spotting scope for these, and my eyes thank me a lot. So really easy to look through, very clear. You know, go get you some. Shameless plug of binoculars. Think they'll sponsor me?
I was about to say, hashtag sponsor.
Fire in the hole.
Right down Broadway.
Really?
It's about that far low, but it's right down the middle.
It is. Fire in the hole. So is that camera videoing or is it?
It's on Facebook Live right now. Yeah.
That was my first one, right?
Yeah, the one on the left was your first one, and then
One of these two.
one of those is your second one. The one on the right, I believe, is your second one.
Woody's.
Yeah. Fire in the hole. Just a little to the right. Feel how hot my barrel is. So let the barrel cool off, and then you shoot again, so it replicates your actual cold bore shot when you're out in the field. So, just tips. Just tips. I don't know if you want to look at that one.
Is that way up to the left?
Mm-hmm. I think that's good. I think you're touching the red.
Cover that one up.
Uh-huh. Yeah, this was my first two, and that was my last one. It's probably gonna overheat again, but we'll see. Nothing I can do about it.
Fire in the hole.
All right.
How about that? Pretty good.
7.5.
That thing shoots.
I think we're set.
accurate.
Always return it
She might
back
show
to
us, She might
zero.
show us all up.
Yeah, I don't want to embarrass y'all, so I'll just sit this one out.
We're gonna shoot the pistols now. So for bear protection in Montana, we sometimes carry pistols, not all the time, but in Alaska, we're gonna try to carry it the majority of the time. Both 10 millimeters. I personally haven't really gotten used to a 10 millimeter before, so we're gonna get used to it today with some practice ammo. But for carrying, we're gonna try out some Underwood ammo. We got the Underwood Extreme Penetrator. That's 140 grains, moving at about 1,500 feet per second. And also from Underwood, the 200 grain hard cast 10 millimeters. So we'll see. I haven't messed with the 10 millimeter before. Kind of curious to see how it recoils, but let's find out. So this is SIG X10 Comet. I don't want to hear it. If you know, you know. So we'll give it a shot. It wasn't that bad.
Very loud.
It's loud, it kicks, but it wasn't what I thought it would be. It was a lot easier to tame than I had imagined. Come. Yeah? Not bad. A little left and then a low. So, I'm not a pistol expert. I just needed to go off when I needed to go off, so not too bad. Smith & Wesson,
Uh-huh.
10 millimeter.
Uh-huh. Not bad.
Yeah.
Not as much recoil as I thought.
No. We try the 200 grain first or the 140? Extreme penetrator.
Do that one.
Extreme penetrator? That's what I thought. So one through the chronograph. Hey, there we go. One through the chronograph and 3 back to back. So it's expensive ammo. You can tell a difference in that speed versus the practice ammo. So, all right, here's 3 back to back. It's coming out hot. That's last one was 1493, so 1,493 feet per second.
So it's pretty accurate on the box.
Yeah, that's hauling ass. The extreme penetrator again, out of the Smith & Wesson.
You can feel it.
Yeah, it's a lot different. All right, so 200 grain hard cast ammo. Let's do 1 for the chronograph and then another 3 cycling. Just to check. So 200 grain hard cast. I guess they dye them black too, so they can't see them coming.
Right.
Right. 200 grain Underwood. You can smell that. You can smell that powder. It's cooking. 1200. Yeah. I don't know. They feel the same. The SIG cycles both of them just fine. So that 200 grain has a lot more lift on the recoil, and that powder is just
Potent.
coming back into my face. So I vote that extreme penetrator. Anyways, I started blasting. I think out of the 10mm ammo, the Smith & Wesson seems like it shoots a little bit better, easier to handle. The SIG's pretty heavy, but the recoil is probably a little lighter. But the 140 grain Underwood extreme penetrator seems to be the ticket. The 200 grain does well. I think the powder is just a bit much coming out of it. I mean, you can smell it from 20 feet away. So 140 grain is probably what we're going to use. That's the Underwood extreme penetrator. So, all right. Next up, we're going to try space food, and we're going to pack the backpack. So let's keep rolling.